Adding a simple routine to your preschool homeschool day can make it easier to organize learning, play, and everyday activities. So how should you structure your preschool homeschool day? What should you include in your daily routine? And how can you make that routine work for your family? In this video, we'll look at a few simple ways to organize your day and create a routine that fits your family. Start with the things you already do every morning. Breakfast, getting dressed, brushing teeth, and reading a short book can all become part of your preschool routine. For example, after breakfast, your preschooler can get dressed, brush your teeth, and then sit with you for a short story. Following a similar order each morning gives your day a familiar starting point. Next, choose one learning skill to focus on. You might choose letters, numbers, shapes, or colors. For example, if you're working on the letter A, look around the house together for things that start with A. A short activity like this gives your preschooler focused practice with one skill. Next, add a simple hands-on activity. Use toys and everyday items you already have at home. For example, give your preschooler a collection of blocks. They can sort them by color, build something, and count how many blocks they used. Hands-on activities give preschoolers opportunities to practice skills while they play. Learning can happen naturally throughout your day. Everyday routines are filled with simple opportunities to practice preschool skills. For example, while making lunch, count apple slices together or talk about the colors of different foods. You can count socks while doing laundry, name shapes while putting groceries away, or talk about what you see while running errands. Everyday moments become part of your preschool homeschool routine. Include time for outdoor play and creative activities in your day. For example, take a short walk outside and look for leaves, birds, rocks, or different colors. You can also include drawing, music, pretend play, or time for your preschooler to play independently. These activities add movement, creativity, and variety to the day. Now let's put everything together. Your preschool homeschool routine might begin with breakfast and getting ready for the day. Next, do one short learning activity followed by time to play. After lunch, spend some time outside, and later in the day, read a story together. Think of your routine as a simple order for the day. You can adjust the timing to fit your family. Keep your routine flexible and follow the rhythm of your day. Some mornings may begin with a learning activity, while others may begin with play or outside time. You can move activities to different parts of the day based on your preschooler's energy and interests. A flexible routine makes it easy to adjust as your preschooler grows and your family's schedule changes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more preschool homeschool tips and ideas. And I'll see you in the next video.